Why does your scanner show the P0673 engine code? What does it mean? P0673 is a diagnostic trouble code for cylinder number 3, Glow Plug Circuit. The P0673 engine code for indicate. Your engine's control computer, PCM or ECM, has detected an electrical issue or voltage discrepancy at the glow plug for cylinder number 3. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: failed glow plug, damaged wiring, corroded connectors, faulty glow plug control, blown fuse or relay. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Jeep, Volkswagen, Chevrolet, Toyota, and Mercedes-Benz. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.